Okay, this is Leo from Bonjour Solar. Today I'm going to give you a training of the communication between the inverter and the lithium battery and the parallel. In the last video, I already showed you if we have a 3 inverter and only 1 battery, so which inverter we should connect with the communication. And then right now, most of our client, the system, they may connect with multiple lithium battery. That means that they may connect with many lithium battery in parallel. So if we connect with many lithium battery in parallel, how can we make the parallel connection and the communication between the lithium battery? So right now I'm going to show you. So if we make the lithium battery, this one as the number 1 battery, we put over there number 1 battery. This one we put as the number 2 battery. Between the 2 lithium battery, they have the cable for communication by the RS-485. And then from the number 1 battery, we use the communication CAN with our inverter. So okay, so right now I'm going to show you something very interesting. So you can come here and then see. So for the first lithium battery, 50 to 48 volts, and the capacity right now is 50. Capacity right now is SOC is 55. I will write down the first one. The first one voltage is SOC is 55%. And I forgot the voltage. The voltage is 50 to 48. 50 to 48. Okay, we check the second battery. The second battery, the voltage is 50 to 55. 50 to 55. And the SOC. The SOC is 62, about 62. Okay. So you may see right now there is some problem. What problem? Is that the SOC of 2 lithium battery, they are different. The number 1 battery 1 is only 55, and number 2 is 62. If our lithium inverter communicate with the first number 1 battery, so what did our inverter think of the SOC of the whole battery? Our inverter, they think all the battery SOC is 55 or 62. What do you think? This is very important because if the inverter, they think the SOC of the all battery are 55, so that means the inverter should charge a lot for the lithium battery. If the inverter thinks the lithium battery SOC are 100%, so no need to charge. So actually, the SOC from the lithium battery is very important. So that's why we need the communication between the inverter and the lithium battery. So right now, let's see how much SOC from the inverter. So we check. So the voltage for the battery is from the inverter 52.4, and the SOC is 58. So the inverter, we give you some data. The inverter, he thinks the voltage of the battery So this one is no big difference. But he thinks the SOC of the battery is a 58%. 58%. It seems the 58 is different from the number 1. It's also different from the number 2. Why the inverter thinks the SOC of the lithium battery are 58? Because right now, the lithium battery, they all communicate. And then if the two pieces are in parallel, the inverter will calculate. The first one is 55. The second one is 62. These two, 55 plus 62 is 100 and 117. About 117. 117. If we times 2, I'm sorry. If we because of 2 battery, if the inverter calculates like this, so it's about 58. So that means the inverter will calculate the SOC for the whole lithium battery. Will calculate the average SOC of all the lithium battery. So actually, that will be a problem if we parallel many lithium battery and their SOC are different. We cannot charge all the battery 100%. For example, right now, the inverter thought the lithium battery SOC is 58, right? So we charge this one, the number 2. Of course, we can charge 100% if we keep on charging. But the first battery, we cannot charge 100% full. Because actually, the first lithium battery SOC is only 55. But the inverter saw final average 58. So if we have many lithium battery parallel like this, there is some problem. Some of the battery cannot 100% full. So our suggestion is when you make the parallel of many lithium battery, you should keep the SOC of the all lithium battery the same, nearly the same. For example, if we keep the first battery SOC 55, the second one also 55. The average, of course, 55. So all the lithium battery can charge and discharge at the same SOC. So that means all lithium battery are balanced. So you must do parallel all the lithium battery with the same SOC. So normally during our installation, how can we make sure all the lithium battery are the same SOC? One of our suggestions is that you can charge all lithium battery 100% full and then make the parallel connection. If you don't do that, there will be some difference in the SOC, and during long time, there's some problem. Some of the lithium battery full, some of the lithium battery always no full. So this is our suggestion. So that's why sometimes if your system already have a 5 lithium battery, and then you want to extend your capacity, you add 1 more lithium battery. And then the new lithium battery is with a very big difference of the SOC. You will find out in a few months later, the last battery is no good. Always no charge full or always no good for charging. Because when you make the parallel connection, the last battery SOC is much different than the old lithium battery SOC. So I hope that this video can help you good understanding the parallel lithium battery and the communication between the inverter and the lithium battery. The inverter always source the average SOC of all the lithium battery. Okay, This is Leo from Monju Solar, and I hope this video can help you a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.